guys, today we're going to be doing a little bit of chemistry. Today we're going to be doing a chameleon reaction. A chameleon reaction is a classical example of oxidation reduction. For short terms we can call it redox. You might be thinking what this oxidation reduction is. Oxidation stands for a chemical which is gaining oxygen, and reduction is when a chemical is losing its oxygen. So in this experiment you're going to need one beaker with water in it, one conical flask with 50 milliliters of water in it, one spatula, one stirrer, a spoon with half tablespoon sugar in it, sodium hydroxide, and potassium permanganate. Okay, so the first step is to take your sodium hydroxide and add 6 drops of it in the conical flask. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 drops. And one more. Sorry, 6 drops. And 6th drop. Now take your spoon with sugar in it and pour it into the conical flask. Look at that. Now take your stirrer and try to dissolve the sugar. You may think this is hard, but no, now that there's sodium hydroxide in it, it will dissolve easily. Yes. Now over here, if it's not mixing properly, just shake it like this. Now the next step is to take your potassium permanganate and your spatula. Open the lid of the potassium permanganate and take very little of the potassium permanganate. Add it into the beaker and watch the color change. Now over here, this is making it look a very light purple. Make sure you don't take too much potassium permanganate or else this experiment will not work and you will not be able to see the color change. Now the next step is to mix it. If you see it, it's actually a very bright, it's a violet, like a violetish purple. So now, just keep your spatula and pour a little bit of the solution into the beaker. Sorry, into the conical flask. Don't make sure you pour, yeah, like that. Now watch it as it's going to change color. Right now it was a darkish purple. Now it's turning into a blue. It will turn into a blue. It's turning into a light purple, into a gray color, into blue, and into a green color. It's green now. And we'll see if it's gonna work. It's green right now. And now in some time it's gonna turn into so right now it will turn a little like brownish yellow. you see over there, it's turning a little bit. It may take some time for it to fade away. Yes, see that? Look at that. It's turning into a brownish yellow. That shows that the experiment has worked. First it was this type of color. Then it turned into a dark blue, and into a gray, then into a green, a very dark green. Then it went into a little reddish orange. Then it was this like brownish yellow. So now compare these both. Very different, huh? So here's a summary. In the first step, we just added sodium hydroxide to water with some sugar also. And then we took the other beaker and we added potassium permanganate to the beaker. Then we just we poured the solution of potassium permanganate into the conical flask, and then we just got a little faint purple into a dark blue, then a grayish green. Then finally it turns into a yellow color like this. So now we have this is our experiment. Thank you for watching this video and be sure to watch my next video. Bye bye!